Making money online is easy if only you are committed to it. And in 2026, it's even easier than it's ever been before. I have never been employed. Everything I make comes from online. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start making money online in 2026, even if you are a complete beginner with zero experience. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've probably watched a million videos on how to make money online, which promises you'll be a millionaire overnight. That's not what this is. I'm going to show you real, legitimate methods that actual beginners are using right now to make money. You can use this method to make your first 100, 500, or even 1,000 USD online if you're committed. And this actually a part one of a 4-part series where I'll be taking you from a complete beginner all the way to building a real online business. Make sure you've subscribed and hit that notification button. Let's get into it. Before we dive into this method, let's set realistic expectations. When you're just starting out, you're not going to make 1,000 USD overnight. Just be honest with yourself. But here is what you can expect. In the first month, if you put in consistent effort, you can make between 100 to 500 USD a month. Some people make more, some make less. It depends on how much time you put in and the method that you choose. The good news is you don't need any special skills. Also, you don't need to invest a ton of money, and you can start literally today, right now. The first one is simple freelancing gigs, and this is my favorite. This is where I started. Now let's talk about freelancing, because this is where you can actually start making real money. And I know what you're thinking, but I don't have any skills. But the secret is you do not need to be an expert. You just need to be able to do something that someone else doesn't want to do or doesn't have time to do it. And that's what freelancing is. Here are the easiest freelancing gigs for beginners. One is social media management. If you know how to use Instagram, TikTok, which probably you do because everyone right now have Instagram, TikTok, and all these apps, you can manage social media for small businesses, post content, reply to their comment, and that's it. People are charging between 300 USD to 500 USD per month for this basic service. Think about basic graphic design, and before you say I can't do design, let me stop you. With Canva, anyone can create professional looking graphics. Small businesses need logos, social media posts, flyers. You can charge anywhere between 20 to 50 per design, and all these are gigs you can get on Fiverr. We have writing, blog writing, CVs, academic writing, product descriptions, email copywriting for social media, and much more. If you can write query, you can do this, especially now with AI, everything becomes easy. The second gig where you can make anywhere between 100 to 500 USD per month is virtual assistant work. This includes scheduling appointment, managing emails, making phone calls. It's like being someone's assistant, but online. I have done a video about virtual assistant and how much you can be able to make as a beginner on this channel before. You can go and check it out. And as for now, virtual assistant makes anywhere between 15 to 25 USD per hour. And I know the biggest question here now is, how do we find this gig? The first one is Fiverr, where you create your profile, list your services, and wait for orders. The platforms takes about 20%, but it's the easiest way to get your first client. Trust you me. The second one is Upwork. You apply to jobs that clients post. It's more competitive, but the pay is usually better than Fiverr. Or sometimes there is a small competition. We have freelancer.com. This is where I actually started. You can also find clients on Facebook groups. For example, freelance jobs groups, virtual assistant jobs groups, virtual assistant members. You'll find groups where people post opportunities every day on Facebook. And here is my advice. Pick one service from that list. Create profiles on Fiverr, create profiles on Upwork, spend a few hours making your profile look really good. For example, on Fiverr, you need to create your profile, you need to niche down so that you can easily get customers. On Upwork, you need to complete your profile kabisa. Like, there is no shortcut into this. You need to have it completed and well looking and also niched down. Create profiles on Fiverr or Upwork, spend a few hours making your profile look very professional, a good photo, a clear description of what you offer, and then apply between 5 to 10 jobs every single day on Upwork and optimize your Fiverr gigs to be able to get customers. All just basic terms, optimize it for SEO. Your first gig might take a week or two to run, but once you get a client and do a good job, the review starts coming in and it gets easier to find jobs. Time commitment, between 10 to 20 hours per week. Realistically, the income will be between 300 to 1,000 USD in your first few months. And I know someone in the comment section will ask, okay, so how do you know these methods will work? But here is what actually separates people who make money from people who gives up in a week. Tip: start today, not tomorrow. Pick one method from this video and do it today, not tomorrow, just today. Even if it's just signing up and start creating your profile, start today and build a momentum. The second tip is you treat it like a real job. Yes, set specific hours. For example, when you wake up, if you decide that you'll be working on this from 7 to 9 p.m. every single day, make sure you work on it. Tip number 3 is you track your income. Write somewhere or track it with a simple spreadsheet. Write down every USD that you make. It's motivating to see the numbers going up, and it helps you figure out what's actually worth your time. Tip number 4, don't spread yourself too thin. I gave you a lot of options in this video. Don't try to do all of them all at once. It's not going to work out. Pick 1 or 2 methods max and focus on those for at least 30 days. Tip number 5, reinvest in learning. Once you start making money, invest in some courses. 10 USD Udemy course on social media marketing or graphic design. The more skills you have, the more you can charge when it comes to now making money online. So that's your complete beginner's guide to making money online in 2026. And I was very specific. I didn't want to bring in a lot of, for example, surveys, chatting. No, I wanted to focus on real specific jobs. So, and how do you start? Just pick one service, for example, social media management, or virtual assistant, or writing. Use Fiverr and Upwork. These are my 2 favorite. You can make between 300 to 1,000 US per month. Now this is just the beginning. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to scale beyond 1,000 USD per month with more advanced strategies that I use, like drop shipping, affiliate marketing, and content creation. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe because I am dropping the video soon. Also drop a comment below and let us know which method you would like to start on this year. And remember guys, I said start today, not tomorrow. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. It literally helps the algorithm show this video to more and more people who need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.